Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is we're going to go ahead and write in the inequality, and you're going to pick based on the keyword if it's going to be less than. So this is less than. This is greater than. This is greater than or equal to. And this is less than or equal to. So make sure you know the words, you know the verbiage, you know the symbols, because it's going to be very important. And you could always use your notes too. So make sure you either choosing A, B, C, or D. So it says here, choose the inequality that you would use for the statement above. So this is the situation. So it says you must swim at least 30 laps during practice. So here, my key word is at least. And if you look at your notes page, that means it's going to be greater than or equal to. But if you're not don't have your notes page, this is what you would do. So the mystery number, which is your variable, will be x. So I'm doing x and they're telling me 30. So I know that I have to have at least 30 laps. So I know it's going to be more than 30. So I know that the mystery number has to be more than 30. So that's going to be greater than. But it says at least. So that means I could also be 30. And that's how you would know that this is going to be your answer. Greater than or equal to is your symbol. So whenever you're reading inequalities, make sure that you're writing x first, and then you write the number that they give you afterwards, and that way you could tell what your inequality would be, and you could choose it correctly. So make sure you're writing x, then blank, and then the number they give you, and then that way you could determine which inequality you're going to choose. And once you do this and start doing this, you're going to go ahead and get it correct. Good luck.